Hola clase. This is a multi-day activity. We are going to take today to work on this. You'll probably need all class to do the first part and maybe even tarea. That's up to how fast you work. So let me explain how you're going to do this, and then I will also upload this video to Canvas. You can see here in each of these middle boxes I have a verb for you and I have a pronoun for you. Now on the back side of the paper I have the verb but no pronoun. So then that's up to you which pronoun you want to use. Okay. So again, this first one here is me helping you. So what this is telling you is in this box, I want you to write a sentence using cenar and make it match the pronoun yo. Okay, so first thing you need to do, cenar, is here. You're going to write the English translation. So the English translation of cenar is to eat dinner. Now what I want you to do is match it to a vocabulary word out of chapter 1. This is important because as we go through the chapters, you can't say, oh, we're done with chapter 1. I'll never need to look at those words again. No, you need those words. They will show up in tests and they will show up in readings. And as you move through the years, Spanish 2, 3, maybe 4 AP, they will show up there too. So I decided, as I looked through chapter 1 vocab, that me personally, I wanted to match it with mano. Now this is your opinion. This is up to you. You can match it with any word you want as long as it fits in the sentence. Okay, so now I know cenar means to eat dinner. I'm going to match it with the chapter 1 word mano, which means hand. And the sentence I'm going to write is Yo ceno con mi mano. I eat dinner with my hand. Now sometimes you might not know little words like this, so that's where you want to look underneath the clock in the room, underneath el reloj. You'll see some shiny posters. There's one with a purple heading that says conjugations, another with a white heading that says pronouns, and another with a yellow heading that says how do you say. Often you will find these little words in that poster. Now the next step after you write this down, I want you to think to yourself, okay, to eat dinner. How often am I going to want to use that word in class when I'm talking to my friends or talking to Profe? Personally, I can't really think of any reason I would ever use that word as a student if I needed to come up and talk to the teacher. So I'm going to put it at a 1. That's pretty much how to do it. There's one last thing. If you'll look at the next one, you'll see that all the other boxes say matching chapter 4 vocabulary. That is a mistake from me. All those 4 should be matching chapter 1 vocabulary. We do this often, so as you can see, you'll be doing this in chapter 4 as well. So you should go ahead and change all those to chapter 4. And then as you go through here, you'll need to remember how to conjugate. You can use your notes for that. And then down here, you get to use whatever pronoun you want to use. But don't just stick with yo, or I'll be mad. Switch it up a little bit. And then you'll have this done by tomorrow, so we can go on to step 2. Adios.